In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Zendrop to Shopify. Start by opening a browser and searching for Zendrop. Click on the first link that appears, which should take you to Zendrop's official site. From the home page, click on Try for Free. You'll then be prompted to create a Zendrop account. You can sign up manually or use your Google, Apple, or Facebook account. Once your account is created, you'll be directed to your dashboard. From the dashboard, Zendrop will offer you the option to connect your Shopify store. If you already have a store, click on Connect a Store I Already Have, and then click Continue. Zendrop will guide you through the process, but I'll walk you through it as well. Open your Shopify account in a new tab. In the search bar at the top of your screen, type Shopify App Store and click on the result. Once in the App Store, search for Zendrop and press Enter. Find the app labeled Zendrop Dropshipping app, click on it, and then click on the Install button. After that, another screen will appear asking you to confirm installation. Click Install again. You'll see a screen with a warning that the app charges user fees. However, don't worry, approving the app doesn't mean you'll be charged immediately. As long as you don't add any products, there are no charges. Charges begin only when you start adding products to your Shopify store. The more products you add, the more the cost may increase. And that's how you connect Zendrop with your Shopify store.